This was not what I wanted. Make a mistake. Oh my god, did I just make a mistake? One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Has been written part of the last line with
Yeah, so of me.
never says anything about despite being dating 5 years.
I hate vlogging in public. Like people always look at me like I'm crazy, like I'm talking alone. But I'm talking to you guys. So am I alone? I don't know. But it just feels so awkward. Okay, what can we do? Being under a dryer, like being under a dryer. The problem is that I don't have the patience to be under a dryer. Like it takes forever. Like I'm doing nothing. I'm thinking about my problems. I'm thinking about the time. And I still have like a nail appointment. Like, God. Still here. I am still under this dryer. And it's been like 10 minutes, 15 maybe. I don't know. I'm just like, I hate the dryer. I need you guys to be honest with me. Does this look nice? Because currently I'm just debating in my head. I feel like I don't feel comfortable, and I'm going back home now. I think we'll chat at home, but I had to kind of like talk to you guys and say, does this look nice? And like, I don't know, I'm skeptical. Maybe I need to go home and just see the different styles and different ideas, and like, and then maybe we can talk. Okay, I don't know, I'm like, do I like it? Do I don't? Okay, wait, Lalilan, hear me out. Like, this is the first time doing this much hair. Like, this is much hair. Like, oh my God, where are the locks? Can you see the locks? Can you see them? Like, do you see? Where are the locks? Like, okay, hear me out. First, like, I wasn't comfortable with. Okay, let's take a moment and appreciate the nails. Do you see the nails? I don't know if you can see my nails. Those are my nails. Then let's appreciate the lashes and the hair. Flip. Okay. So my flip. Like on my pillow this morning, I woke up and I was looking the way I was looking. Like, come down. Like the hair. I just felt was it was a lot. And I didn't like it at all. Like, I was like, oh my god, did I just make a mistake? Did I just make a mistake? And then I came home, right? I was crashing out and I was like, this is not what I want. And I'm so used to seeing myself with long. They are not this full. So I was like, this is giving. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. I was mentally crashing out. I was in town and I was looking at myself and I was like, oh my god, I'm crashing out. I'm mentally crashing out. Oh my god, did I just make a mistake? Oh my god, did I just make a mistake? And then I came home and I don't know if it's the lighting. Oh ma, it's me, you know. Maybe it's the face. Maybe it's the, I don't know. But or maybe it's the white. This is how my locks look like. This is how my hair looks like. So I don't know if it's the white thing on the head. And then I played around with the hair, you know, like, okay, what styles can I do? Because you can do like a pony like this, you know, and go to class. You can just like raise the hair and just like do this, something like this, you know, like, you know. And then like kind of raise it, you know, something like something, you know, like this, like in a normal good day, you know, just play around. I can play around with the hair, and I feel like this is another hairstyle, you know. I can, you know, and then maybe I can do a side like a side thing. Can you see, whoever said locks are not versatile? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, who's the boost? Yes. Okay. You know, to like a side thing. Like a side thing, it is giving. You know, I woke up like $1,000,000, you know, like it's giving. Made me love it, because what do you mean? This is the first time doing something like this, so I'm just like now I'm kind of currently looking for like a hairstyle that I'm gonna do, and I'm oh, it is giving pharmacy. What? Oh, sorry. Oh, what? Sorry. Wait, what? I can't hear. Can you please come to the side? Oh my god. Okay, I'm done.